Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to make tea at home. I was very surprised when a person from China told me that he has no idea how to boil tea at home. So you need a stuff. Water. Yeah, can you see? Water. On. Power on. Too hot. Let's start with 1200 degrees Celsius and wait the water to be boiled. And now the water is ready. You see, this is how it looks like when it's already boiled. Be careful, it is hot. Alright, and now the tea. In this case, Lücha green tea. Gaoshan Lücha. Gaoshan green tea. Open. This is the tea. This is how it looks like. Pour some. If you like stronger, more. If you like lighter, less. I like it lighter. Light tea. Okay, that's enough for that much water. Close carefully. And now you can just cover it back. Wait. For example, you can wait for an hour. When it's not so hot, pour it out, have a cup of tea.